Hello, and welcome to Religion, Conflict, and Peace in Contemporary Global Affairs. I'm Professor Moore, and my teaching staff and I are thrilled to be embarking upon this exploration with all of you, a global group of learners comprised of women and men representing a span of ages, ethnicities, worldviews, social locations, and geographic regions. We're excited to begin learning with and from you. As we know, religions have functioned throughout human history to inspire and justify actions that range from heinous crimes against humanity to nearly unfathomable acts of compassion, courage, and generosity. The power of religion remains potent here in the 21st century, in spite of modern predictions that religious influences would steadily decline in concert with the rise of secular democracies and advances in science. Understanding these complex religious influences is a critical dimension of understanding modern human affairs across the full spectrum of endeavors in local, national, and global arenas. Unfortunately, there are common misrepresentations of how religions function in human experience. Two prominent ones are represented in the contradictory assertions that 1. Religions promote violence and bigotry, and 2. Authentic or valid interpretations of religion always promote peace and human flourishing. Another common misrepresentation is one that frames religion and secularism as opposing worldviews that are mutually exclusive. All of these assertions are problematic, and they function to curtail efforts to understand the power of religion in human experience. In this course, you'll be introduced to a method for how to understand religion, and then have the opportunity to apply that understanding to contemporary case studies on religion, conflict, and peace in several diverse countries, including Israel, Palestine, Syria, Myanmar, Brazil, Nigeria, France, Bosnia-Herzegovina, India, Northern Ireland, Sri Lanka, and the United States. In our first 3 sessions, we'll explore what this method entails and how a lack of understanding about religion fuels bigotry and prejudice and hinders cooperative alliances in local, national, and global contexts. You'll learn why it is important to make a distinction between particular religious expressions or assertions of devotional beliefs on the one hand, and the exploration or study of diverse beliefs and practices on the other. You'll also learn how religions are internally diverse, how they evolve and change as living traditions, and how religion functions in all aspects of human experience, as opposed to being isolated in a so-called private sphere of religious belief and ritual expression. We'll also explore how colonial legacies play critical roles in shaping modern conflicts, how religious and secular forms of nationalism are more entwined than distinct, and how neoliberalism has exacerbated inequalities across the globe. Once you've had a chance to learn and engage the method, we'll apply this framework to several different country contexts and explore how a more nuanced understanding of religion can provide fresh insights into seemingly intractable challenges. Throughout our exploration, we'll be considering the roles that the arts play in both influencing and representing social and cultural values. We'll also be highlighting the roles that women play in the issues we'll be exploring, recognizing that they are always present, but often overlooked. Finally, in this course, we'll be modeling an interactive, student-centered approach to learning. You, as participants, are the greatest asset of the course, and interactions with each other in response to the content we'll be exploring will be a highlight of our experience together. So, let's start by hearing from you. Please record or post a short introduction by sharing your name, the country, state, and city or township where you live, and why you are interested in this class.